Hello YouTube and hello Twitch. Welcome to this new WebDev session on my web application StoreMyDocs. So let's start. So I'm currently working on the automatic categorization user story. And the task I'm on is about using AceEditor for displaying the script, because last time I finished working on the run automatically the rules when editing or adding a new rule. So I already made some progress on this task. I have the AceEditor here. And let's see how I did it. So maybe I want to see, because there was probably a package that I added, which is probably in the logs. Oh, yeah, it's here. Oh, okay. It's because one part of my file package .json is inhered, and the other part is the AceEditor that I added. This one is the official package, I think. Where can I see that? Yeah. But yeah, it's it should be the official one, which is well maintained. And in order to use this, let's see. Yeah, there are some files that I need to make it available. So that if I do, let's see, if I do a curl, yeah, a curl like this, I'm getting the file because I provided it inside the Ace folder with this kind of settings. Then I can import my AceEditor by doing this import here. Yeah, so, some of this is in progress, but basically I'm setting okay, I was thinking that yeah, the base path. I was searching for this. I have to set the base path to Ace for because it's where I have the dependencies available. Yeah, otherwise I can use editor.setValue to set the script. Yeah, I know what. Yeah, and then what is not working yet is if I click on edit, I'm not setting the category of the script inside here. And I tried a few things to make it the most clean as possible. So in the end, I had several issues. I think that I know how to do it. Okay, I will try something. Because the thing is, with matform field control, there is a value of the control. And I should be using this as my one and only value, which is the script, but it's not easy to make it work as I want. Because if you are looking at this before I add a text area with a ng model, and I cannot use the ng model in the same way. Maybe I can use value. I will try something. Value. Where is my value? Here. Input. Yeah, I have to have a look at the way of doing a two-way bindings. Angular two-way binding. Property event. No, okay, that's some prerequisite. Bindings in forms. Okay. So what I understand is for native form, we can use ng model. But I'm not sure I can do the same. Yeah, I need a control value accessor. The problem that I see. Okay, I will try something. I don't like it, but if I do this, I don't have an error here anymore. I'm trying to avoid mixing multiple variables with the same meaning. Okay, it's working actually. Okay, I guess it's a good thing. Let's see if I can do better. Okay, so let's go back here. Now I have a way of simplifying some of the stuff. I will try to go back to a previous version of my component. It's a version where I was doing where I was doing extends. Is this one? We'll try with this. So if I want to make it work, I have to change this to value change. Okay. Okay, let's go back here. So what I'm missing is the at input normally. Forgot to import. Okay. Okay. Seems to be working. I just need a few things. This should be true. Because I want the script here to be shown above. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I have to change some. There may be some properties that I need to change. Required should be. I don't know about this one because if I say. Let's see if I do required. Does it work? I don't think so. Maybe I can change. I know. Read only, I don't know. If I do this, and I need override also. Oh no. Normally, if I don't know if it will work. Because at input is working with string apparently. I have to see the documentation required. Oh, I see. That's what they do. Yeah, it's in the official documentation, so that's what I should be doing. Well, I'm saying that, but in the official documentation, they are not doing extends, they are doing implements, but it's possible I prefer to do extends. Yeah, but if I do extends, I cannot do this because in the abstract class they are declaring required as an attribute, and here I'm declaring it as an accessor. So in the end, I guess I have to go back to what I was doing before. Which should be fine because that's what they are doing in the official documentation. So before, let's see where it is. Here. Okay. Now that I am implementing this as an interface, I should be able to do this. Or not. Because here it's a Boolean. Okay, because Boolean input here. Okay. I'm not sure how. Okay, I have to see how it will work. Okay, it's strange because in the official documentation they are talking about using Boolean inputs, but I cannot do that because I'm implementing this, which does not match. But it's okay, I have a way of making it work. And the way of making this work is this. Okay, that's it. Okay. Next, I will try to implement everything. Okay, this is something I should do. When we set the value, I should be able to say that the value has changed. This is done through this. I'm not sure where I want to put this. Because the value is the most important, I would like to maybe see it at the beginning here. Okay, that will be here. Because I have value change here, so yeah. Okay, let's try. I need to see how they are doing it because, oh, maybe I know. No, to do this, but how do they do it on their side? I want to see get value, how it's implemented. Okay. What they are doing is they are using a form group. Yeah, form group with multiple form control. That's not the way I want to do. Oh, they are also implementing the control value accessor. Yeah, I want to see how they are implementing the... Because in my opinion, right value, register on change. In my opinion, it's a bit verbose to have this control value accessor, but maybe it's better. So what I will do is, where is it? Editor. I need to have this as a field. Create field editor. Yeah, I can keep it like this. Initially, it will be undefined, so I have to say that it may not be defined. So okay. Then what I have to do is if this dot editor, then return. Oh no, I can. I may be able to do better. Dot get value. Okay. The problem is value is string or null. It will work like this. If I don't have a value, it will be null, and that's it. And set value, it will be the this dot editor dot set value with the value. And the problem with this is maybe the editor does not exist yet. So and set value, okay, it's only a string, which means that I have to provide an empty string if I don't have a value. I'm missing a bit of test to check this. I'm not sure yet where I will do my tests. I do hesitate about having the test from the rules component or doing the test from there, but the problem, I'm not sure how I should test the input and output. So let's find the official documentation of I don't know why they are saying this. Maybe it's really the case, but I have some doubts. So okay, maybe that's true. So we'll be doing an update of my navigator. Okay. Let's try again. Oh, it's still opened here. No, I can't. Try again. Still not working, really? Is it a problem with my VPN, maybe? I don't know. I am blocking I remember. I had the same problem last time. Refuse to create a worker. Okay, maybe I can try to find why. Otherwise, I will try to. It's Cloudflare, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, I don't know, which means that I will try to get the cache of the page, and I don't remember if I can do it from there. Apparently not. We'll try to do a wayback archive. Yeah. I can do this normally, which is the last snapshot. That's not even the documentation I was interested in. But it's interesting. What I want is to test looking at something related to input and output of a component. For some reason they don't say, but I will try something. Let's try a simple test. It should set and get the same output. If I do I need to find the doc of output. So this one was there. Returns value of an input. Input value. No, that's not what I want actually. What I want is to provide the input of my component, so I should be able to do something like value equals test. I'm really not sure about what I'm doing, and that's why I'm so let's rename this to value. This will be my result. I'm trying something, I will see if it works. Expect result to equal test. Normally this will not work. I want to see in which way. Okay, I will try to choose things because try the two things here because they are a bit different. Okay, it seems that this one is working, which is a bit strange for me. Ah, yeah, I know one problem of what I'm doing. Okay, I know, yeah. I have to provide the input from mock render, from what, yeah, correct bindings. Because my test is working for this, whereas in reality it's not working. That's why my test is not good enough. Problem. So input. I can have some input and I also want some output. So okay, that's nice. Subject. Subject is good because with a subject I don't have to. I can directly get the last value. Yeah, that's good. So I can change my test with params. Value will be test. We can do it like this, and then value change will be a new subject of string. The name will be value, where will be output. Output is good for what I want. So I will simplify my test then. Okay. This will be part of the arrange and act will be... Oh no. I'm not sure about what I'm doing. What I want to do in the end is output dot maybe I was mistaken about what a subject is, because I don't really want a subject, I want something else, which I don't remember. Behavior. Yeah, behavior subject is good. Because then I can do a get value. Result. Well, we'll simplify this. Expect result to equal what I want to simplify is this. Okay. And here we can see that my test is failing as it should be expected, because let's have more logs. Oh, no, not here, here. Here I'm logging my value. And the reason why I am not getting it with get value is probably because the editor is not here yet. I'm not going there in my test, so maybe I should add another assertion. Undefined, okay, and then from there the editor exists. But otherwise here it's undefined. So that's what I was thinking already. So let's see if I can find a way to make this work. The best will be... Okay, let's see. In the constructor, I don't think I can get this. Illustrate edit. It's undefined. So I'm getting it there, but I want to check another place where I can probably get it here. It's undefined. Let's try something else. I don't remember exactly what static means, but it's possible that it's working like this. So let's try something else, because maybe I will be lucky and things will happen. Oh no, I won't be lucky. Here, what? To resolve query results before change detection runs. Okay. I can keep it as a static and read. What is read about? Okay. Let's try anyway, because apparently both of them are failing. I don't know why. It's not saying it here, but yeah, both of them are failing. My main problem is that I would like to get a single. Oh, I know it. No, I don't know. Maybe I can do a create edit session. No, I don't know. But it would be nice if I can have. There may be a way to set the value before I assign the. And here, can I delay the input resolution? Okay, during change detection. But normally I should be processing this before any change detection, so I'm a bit confused about this. Maybe. Okay, maybe I have a solution, but I'm really not sure about this. So my idea would be to do these stations. Next. If I do this, there is a chance, and it will be faster to check it here. There is a chance that return false undefined. No. I don't know. I would like to delay. The way the value is set. So, but I don't know how to do this. So. Okay. I will try to find something. Angular input wait for view init. Well, I need the opposite. I want my ng on init. Content. I have to search the lifecycle. Angular lifecycle. Before ng on it. Okay, so maybe I can try this. On changes. The main problem I have with this the problem is that it will be called every time I'm doing this, every time there is a change, which I don't want. but let's try. Null. I forgot to remove some things that I don't need anymore. Problem is even this at this time the property are already set. Wait before updating the view. Let's try again. Angela input, wait for... I don't know. That's almost what I want to do. Inside the ng init. So yeah. So I need a temporary variable, which I wanted to avoid. I prefer to have a single point of trust, something like this. Okay, then I have to change this get value. My main problem is value. Okay, let's find a solution. My solution will be to do value ring. So we know that the value will see if I do string on null. Does it need to be initialized? Yes. Let's try to say that yeah, I will try to say that the value is actually initialized. Okay, I have my value. So I can change this to on init. on init. This should be working. Set value to value to this dot value. And then what I have to do is every time I change the input, I have to do value change emit with what is the problem? Okay, editor may be undefined, so I have to do this maybe. Yes, because I don't know. Okay, I did not know that emit, the value for emit is optional. So normally, yeah, this one is okay, but this one not, which is normal because because I'm not changing the value. Okay, I will try something then. I will try something. I will do component editor set value with new value. Because that's the way I will be able to change the value. New value. This will be renamed to old value. Okay, the reason why it's not working may be a problem of an asynchronicity. And false. Okay. As we can see here, it should be working because when I'm modifying, we can see the modification happening below. Okay. So if my test is not working well, it may be because maybe I only need to do texture. Texture.detect changes. Oh, I forgot something. I forgot something which has to be done. I don't know how much it is important, but normally whenever the state of my input change, I have to do this. So okay. I add to check this. Now I'm doing fixture detect changes, which does not change anything. Oh, even the value here is not correct. Yes, indeed. I don't know if it is important. The value of the control, yeah, I don't like the fact that value for me is more like the input value, but we don't really care in the end about this. So what is really important is from the parameters, we have the initial value, and what we want is to see what is the output value. And in this case, I don't see anything. Ah, yeah, I know. I know fake async is probably mandatory because I'm using a behavior subject which is working with observable two timers. So maybe this one. Two timers still in the queue. I don't remember. So tick is doing timer still in the queue. I have to flush micro task maybe, or maybe even flush in it's probably better than flush micro task. Yes, it's working. So let's see if I still need to do this and this. No, only flush is needed. I'm not sure why. Flush micro task may be enough. No. And tick. I just want to see what is really needed. So maybe the reverse. Okay, no. So flush was nice. And get the new output set. Oh, I forgot about something because yeah, I need to test because oh, you know. Check something because I'm not testing this properly. I have to see if value is changed. No. literals. My main question is, can I do this? I will try to do value, which is the same as what I'm doing. Value is still equals to old value. No, in the end, maybe there is a test that I wanted to do that I don't really need to do. I guess, yeah. Yeah, I know what I want to do. Okay. I will do another test. Should get the new output. Should set the input. Yeah, I'm missing a test about. Oh, I don't need this anymore. I need a test that will do component editor get value. I want to check that the initial value is correctly set. Yeah. There is it's possible that I don't need the fake async here. Yeah. So as we can see, it's working. Because otherwise, if I was only doing the second test, I could remove this, the set value here, and the second test will be working because that's the way it's done. And this one is not working anymore. Yeah. Okay, it's enough for the main functionality, but then I want to make sure that I'm setting up my custom form properly. So with value, we can set the initial value, and then we can only get the initial value. So that's unfortunate. And I don't really care about this. state changes that happened only in the initial, when we set the initial value. I'm not even sure about this because yeah, try to not set up this because I don't really see the necessity of this. ID, I'm doing it the way they say to do it, as we can see here. ng control, do I need to? Yes, I need. And do I need to say the type? I don't think so. I'm not choosing this and okay, this is weird because I cannot do this normally. Or can I? Ah, yes, I can. No, I cannot. I prefer to do it like this because if the type was important, yeah, I would have done something, but otherwise no. Focused. Okay, so I have to implement my focus. Because we can see here, if I get the focus, it's darker, but here it's not. So to make this work, I have to see when, well, I have to know when is focused, okay. Maybe there is a way, no. It would be nice to have a way to know. Change maybe. Okay, let's see if I can get this from change here. Delta. No, change is about it's about the actual change. Oh, focus. Okay, I missed that one here. Okay, so that's what I will do. Editor focus. I don't need the parameter. I know there is a parameter which I could do something. I don't know what. But I only need to do focus this dot focus equals is focused, and then this state changes dot next. Mm. Yeah, I'm not sure how. Yeah. For me, it's okay, but it can be a bit confusing because if it's undefined, I want to convert this to a Boolean, and this is the way of doing it. It's converting this to a Boolean. Undefined would be false. Okay, now, well, yeah, I'm missing the event when I'm losing the focus. Just checking something on my phone. So for some reason, it's not working the way I want it. I guess that I'm only getting this event when I get the focus, but I want to check. I want to check that when I'm losing the focus, no, I don't get any event about this. So I don't know how to know when I don't get the focus anymore. Because there is a distinction. When I'm losing the focus, I get something. AceEditor on focus lost. Motorcycles. Yes, if you want. Blur. Okay, apparently the opposite of focus is blur. Blur, okay. In this case, I can simplify this and say true. And there I can say false. Okay, it's working. Next one. Well, in my case, I always want the label to be floating because otherwise it's not looking good. For this, well, I'm supporting required because in my case, where is it? Here. The script is required. Even though I can create my script, even if I'm not, if I don't have everything that was required, so that's something I will have to work on at some point. Maybe I will have a to-do for this. Do check if all validations are okay. Where the fields are not empty. I know there is a way to do this, and I don't know why I did not implement this already. Well, I don't want to implement this. I could be implementing this, for example, what I could do is not even know how to do this. Yeah, here. Here I have an error. And what I could do, oh, it's weird that the pop-up is not popping up at the correct place. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, but one thing I could do is preventing the creation of the rule in this case. But that's not something I'm really interested of doing right now. Control type, maybe I will, yeah, let's do it. Control type will be app AceEditor. I'm not using this, so I won't implement them, so I have them here. Okay, I see. What it means is that if I click on there, yeah, here you can see there is a focus that automatically, maybe that's what I will do. Okay, let's try. Editor, focus. Yeah, I was expecting something to complain. Yes, it's working. So now when I click outside here, it's still doing the focus. It's not important, but it's interesting to do. And it doesn't cost much from me. Yeah, I added 2 tabs about the same things, which is why I was not at the same place. Yeah, about accessibility for now, I'm not... I prefer to have something working than to work on accessibility right now. So yeah, so it's not my I don't want to work on this. Okay. My AceEditor is working, so I just have to commit and oh no, I forgot because there are some tests that I did not update. So I don't know about this one. One timer still in the queue. I don't know why. I don't know because I did not change the component here. So that's weird. I can try to do a flush. I could have rerun only the failing test, but apparently it's okay. And then I have 2 errors now. Set rule script. So the way the way I need to do it is different, obviously. I will try to see what I get here. Because I'm supposed to get something. Okay, maybe I am failing before. No. I don't know why. I'm not stumbling upon any breakpoint, so okay, this one I'm getting on it, but the next one, no. Initialize control. Okay, so what I understand is I'm currently mocking my AceEditor component, but the mock cannot be used for the form field. So let's see if I have a way to going to get back this. See if they provide a way to mock form field input. ng mock form field input. Probably not doing what I wanted to do. To mock form controls. No, that's not really it. So, okay, one way of doing it is to keep it. I could be doing keep AceEditor component. If I do this, it may work. The name and for the script. Control, I want to see step over control. Control seems to be null for the script, which is, yeah, I see. Yeah, yeah. The control I have is not supported, so that's normal. If I want to change the value, it's not that easy. No. I will do it in a simpler way. Find instance of AceEditor component. AceEditor component dot, and the problem, well, I can do, let's do it like this. I don't like this way because I have to dig into the implementation to make it work, but yeah, I will see if it's working now. Cannot read properties of null. Reading root nodes. ngmux. I guess it's failing here. It's probably not working. I don't know why, so can I evaluate this, all of this? No, I cannot evaluate, but I can do step over to see that it's failing here. Find, maybe with find, it will be better, I don't know. I not really, I don't really get the difference. I'm doing this to check exactly where it's failing, so interesting. Yeah, this way it's working apparently. That's nice. Yeah. Yeah. We'll run again all my tests to see if I'm still missing something. Okay, everything is working well. I will commit then. Yeah, about the 8. I guess it's okay. In the case where the 8 is more than that, I'm displaying it like this. I'm not sure. The wides, for the wides, I don't know. Don't know why there is this line here. Yeah, I will keep the 8 like this. Empty. Ah, maybe that's why. I will try some. No. Yeah, I will try something because here you can see it's red when it's empty because it's required. But here it's not the same, so I will try to change this to true to check if it's something which has an impact. No. Okay, no, it does not change anything. And error state true. Yeah. Error state true is working, but I don't really want to work on it. Yeah. this one are optional autofilled. I want to see the documentation. Okay. Maybe no. I don't really like the name because the AceEditor component could be seen from the outside world as the editor, and so it's a bit weird to have an editor inside an editor, but I don't really have a better name for it. This to do, I will keep it, and that's what I will be doing next. Seems good. Use AceEditor when editing the script. Ah yes, what I want to do is to also use the AceEditor when viewing the script. So let's have a to-do for this. I will try to remember when I get in the file. Because I am updating the package.json, I will also commit the version number. Do also use for viewing. So instead of doing ng model, I'm using value. That's it. Okay. So the next one is I want to use AceEditor for viewing, mostly for the syntax coloration. So to do this, it will be different. I want to go I will still use the same component because that's easier like this. And I need to change. Where is the script? Here. Okay. I need to change this to probably to this app AceEditor. With value equals control.script. And here we can see that's not the way I want to show it. So I will make a few changes. Yeah, maybe I will try to set disabled to true, something like this. I will have a logic around disabled. Material. Field control. One disabled. Can I remove the space? Maybe I want to keep everything together. Maybe keep it here like below. Okay, my guess is that I cannot use this. Okay, then it's strange because that's strange. Why can I use this now and not before? I see the difference. Okay. Yeah, that was the difference between the two. This way I can change what I did before because I should be able to do this and then where is it? Yeah, and now I should be able to do it like this also. Okay. This editor set read-only this disabled. Okay, now I cannot edit the text anymore. Nice. I don't know why it's blue here. Ah, because it's a string, probably. Okay. Next thing I want to work on is the height of this. I don't know how to set it up automatically. So maybe AceEditor automatic auto height, something like this. Oh, I see. We'll have some kind of get screen length. Max line, min lines. Auto size. That's the behavior that I want. Auto resizing editor. So how does it work? Auto scroll editor into view, max lines, wrap, min lines. Oh, I see. Maybe. I think that I got it, but I'm not sure. So if I go back to my CSS, so I will remove the height, not pronouncing it like I should in a good way, but yeah, the height of the editor. Then I did not know about giving all the arguments like this, so apparently I can do mod like this, okay. Okay, I did not see the option about min lines. It was there apparently. Oh, okay. Because AceEditor options. Okay, I see there are a lot of them. So the value also, I can set it. Value this dot value. Read only this dot disabled. Okay. Does it change anything? No. I will have max lines 30. I will see if there is a... Oh yes, it's working. Thirty lines may be too much, so I will have... No. 20, 15, maybe 15 lines. Yeah, 15 lines is nice. Okay. I need to remove the highlight. Highlight active line. Need to remove the cursor also. So AceEditor, read only, no cursor, something like this. It's a bit complex, but okay. Okay. If this disabled, I need to do this editor set read only true. I prefer to regroup everything. Set highlight active line false. Highlight outer line false. And then the last one, this one. In the cursor. Yeah, I will try to suppress with a TS inner. So yes, seems to be okay. That's nice. If I remove this, I want to check. Then I have the cursor. Okay, I want to see if all the tests are still working, because yeah, that's one. get rule script. Probably, oh yeah, because it's using native node text content, so yeah, obviously it was not working. I don't know if it will work, but can I do this? I want to know if I can manage something with this, so let's have a breakpoint here and yes, it seems to be working. Let me see. Yeah. I will stop now. So I'm nearly finished with my task. There is still the auto-completion, so I will probably finish it on my own. Yeah, and tomorrow I will continue on my remaining task. Prevent manual modification. Yeah. We'll see that tomorrow. So yeah, I will continue on my own. So thank you for watching, and yeah, I will continue tomorrow.